to this kind of man. Check out back in with another one. I know it might be a weird angle, but this is the intro. So yeah, went and got the rhyme kit and shit. I told y'all in that one video, once I hear it, I'm like, damn it, I gotta install my shit. So here I am, installing my shit. Shouldn't take too long. What I'm gonna do it is, it comes with a factory subwoofer. So I'm gonna jack those lines into the RC cables. RCA cable, yeah. So I'm gonna jack that. That's gonna be my output. You know, regular schmegular. Wire ground power. Luckily the battery's under the back seat. So that's why I'm like more gung-ho to do this shit. And the fuse box for the remote wire, so it should be smooth. Feel like that. I'll check that back in when I get some wires ran. That's what I'm doing first. Check my lengths and everything like that. Find me a fuse to put that remote wire in and shit like that. So with this power wire, y'all see that light down there? Trying to send it past right there. And the ground wire, that power going through there. Ground wire, put right here. Shave it down. It looked like bare metal already, so never mind. So yeah, power, bro. Yeah, so we got the power wire through the back, one right there, as you can see, and that is why I got two of them, but we don't gonna need one because y'all see that ground wire pretty short, but basically it's the same bolt, right? But it has the attachment inside on the other end, so you can have a clean sitting power wire. So let's go ahead and hit that out real quick. Yeah, we got the bolt on. I tried to keep as much as the rubber as possible. I didn't want to have this whole piece just come off, you know what I'm saying? If it can protect something, I'll let it do that. So I left that on there. And then you just grab this wire here, like so. You want to grab your washer first. Right, and then your nut. I always want to grab your nut, you know what I'm saying? What's the point of going in if you can grab the nut, man? So now you got you a secure, powerful connection. Finna goddamn adjust this guy since it's right here already. Damn, don't do it to me now, baby. Okay, just gotta talk to it nice. She one of them ones. Damn, I suck. Yeah, action. See what I'm saying? So tight, got the other one spinning. Now your power wire, you're good to go. Now I'm finna run that remote wire down, same way. Get a little fuse, replace a broken fuse, and then hop in the back here, get that ground in. And then I gotta dissect that over there right there, get my subwoofer wires, jack that into the RCAs, and that'll be it. So quick little installation for y'all. I see we got the remote wire in. So now we're gonna look for, on the box, look for like radio. Alright, so we got RDO, which is F21. I'm assuming that's radio. It's a 15A, F21 RDO. I'm assuming that's radio. I don't know what the fuck else to say. I'm finna change the one I know is broke right now. Then I'm gonna do some research and see if that's the right fuse to be pulling for the amp, so I don't kill my fucking battery and shit. And then I'll catch up back. Alright, yeah, so it's F23. This was the broken one, as you can see right there. And pop this motherfucker back in here. Whoa. That motherfucker was a little feisty going on. Make sure the bitch ain't pop. What the fuck? That bitch popped again. Oh God. What the fuck? I just put that bitch in there, bro. That bitch popped. What the fuck? Okay. Let's go with a fucking, what? I don't know. We're going with a 30 on this bitch ass. Hey, nigga, need that goddamn light now, but I ain't playing. Not the light, but the cigarette lighter for the fucking. Okay. It's in there. I ain't hear nothing go pop, pop. You go pray for the best. Yeah, so we got the wire, remote wire ran to the radio, power wire ran all under the seat. Now I'm finna get this one hooked up, but they're like I showed y'all, and then see if we get some power, and then from there it's just the RC cables, RCA, whatever you want to call them. And we'll be done, man. Quick little installation. Like I said, I've been doing this for a little minute, so, and it really helps that the battery and the fuse box is in the back seat too. So yeah. See. So I'm literally putting this bitch right there. See what I'm saying? How perfect that is. Just literally. Run it out, so it's gonna be a clean look for sure. I'm gonna have the amp back here in the corner either way, but it's gonna be a clean look. Then I gotta find something to fit that little shit. So now we got power, ground, and remote wire. So let's go ahead and try to make this shit look a little better. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Some slight boom. The amp gonna be right here, so I ain't gonna be needing much of this shit. See how short that is? So the amp, boom, right here. I need to cut the fucking blue wire, so it'll be shorter. And yep, that's what we got. And as y'all can see, we got power. So clean this up. The wire extra long for no reason, but you know what I'm saying? It'll be whatever. I'm at the box in front of this shit anyway, but I see the green light, man. Real vibrant. All right, y'all. So we got the system set up. And with the finished product. So as you see where I got my line from, taped it all back up. And then So I got 2 RCA cables running that way for the base knob. Got the new bolt on there. Saying remote wire. Yeah, y'all know the ground is in the back. So I'll put this shit back and I'll show you how the back looks. Clearly I still got my tools and shit in here, but I can run the back. That's what it's looking like. You know what I'm saying? So it's pretty clean. Let me scoot this box over so you don't see that shit. I should do look clean as possible. I can't. Fuck, it's hitting up there. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. I think that motherfucker look pretty good. I need to clean out the trunk and shit, but what we got.